In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency settings on your eBay app. This simple adjustment can make a world of difference if you're buying or selling items internationally, or if you just want to view prices in your local currency for budgeting purposes. Let's walk through it step by step and ensure you're all set. First things first, you'll want to open your eBay app on your mobile device. If you haven't done so already, make sure you're logged in, as this may make the process smoother. Once you're in the app, you'll need to navigate to the menu. This can be found by looking for the three lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu, usually located in the upper left corner of your screen. Tap on this and you'll uncover a list of options. Next, take a moment to scroll through the menu and find Settings. Once you've located it, go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to a new screen where you'll find various options for personalizing your eBay experience. Here, what we're interested in is the country and language section, so locate that and tap on it to proceed. Now, in the country and language settings, you'll see different options, including language preferences and country settings. Here, you may find yourself already in a section familiar to you, but take a closer look and you'll notice a setting for currency. This is what we're after to make your eBay shopping or selling more convenient. Tap on the currency option and you'll be presented with a list of different currencies. This is where you can select the currency you prefer. A tip here is to choose the currency that makes the most sense for you, possibly aligned with your bank's or credit card settings to avoid conversion charges. Once you've found your desired currency, tap on it to make your selection official. Your screen might briefly refresh to update the settings, but don't worry, that's perfectly normal. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully changed the currency settings on your eBay app. This adjustment ensures that whenever you browse, buy, or sell on eBay, all the prices will be displayed in the currency you've selected, making it easier for you to manage your transactions. If you ever need to switch the currency again in the future, just revisit these steps and you'll be able to make changes in no time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy your shopping or selling experience with this newfound setting on the eBay app.